Hello guys, welcome back to our channel IELTS winner. Hope you are doing fine. So this is a sample of how to do the cue cards, which is the final version of Makkah 22 new cue card. Okay, this is the first one. You can find the jumbo cue card of the last 18 in our channel, or you can buy the PDF. This one is one by one. I'll be giving you just an idea as to how to solve this. Okay, and these videos will be in English because we all know how to answer them in Hindi or our regional languages, but when we need to describe the situation in English, we find difficulty. That is why these will be in English. I'll describe your answers, like the important words, in Hindi or some other language. Okay, so the cue card, the first cue card in the final Makkar version is describe something that was broken in your home and then repaired. So something that broke but you repaired somehow. So it can be anything. As you can see, I have started. Always start your cue card with some good phrase like, honestly, I am a clumsy person. So I am going to say that I am very clumsy. Clumsy means not good at handling things. Okay, not good at handling things. So I am saying that I am not a good handling person. I break something. I always fell down or break some other things in my house. So you can start with, I am a clumsy person and now and then tend to break things. So because I am clumsy, I always tend to break something. One such item that I recently broke was, okay, so you can say either one such item that you broke, or because of my carelessness, something that break in my house was. You can talk about anything. The thing can be an item, okay, or something electronic, or anything it can be. You can talk about electronic items like phone or fridge or washing machine or mixie or remote or anything. Or you can talk about something that you broke, like I broke a pencil. I was very angry, I was very excited, and in that excitement I just broke my pencil. I threw the bat and it broke into pieces. I was so angry that I threw the plate, the glass plate, and it shattered into pieces. So you can talk about anything. One more thing that is very important is always talk about 2 or 3 things. Okay, always talk about 2 or 3 things so that you never run out of ideas or think what to speak for 2 minutes. Always talk about 2 item, 3 item, 2 person, 2 places. In this way you will have more ideas to talk about. Okay, so you can start your cue card like this, with this phrase that I am a clumsy person and that is why I tend to break things, or things around me tend to break now and then. You can change accordingly and then say. Then you can start your story by saying, one day due to my hectic schedule I was in a haste. I was in a haste means I was in a hurry, बहुत जल्दी में था. Okay, I was in a hurry, बहुत जल्दी में. So in a haste you were trying to do something and something broke, or you were very angry and that is why something happened. So you can change, you can put an adjective here and then continue your speaking. Now you need to build up your idea on how, what situation led you to break something, or what situation led to breaking of something. Either it can be from you or someone else. So accidentally, anything someone breaks accidentally. So you can use these kind of phrases to say that accidentally. Instead of saying accidentally, unknowingly, you can use unwittingly, obliviously, without any intention. You can use these adjectives which will give a boost to your speaking, and it will also sound a good natural speaker. Okay, so for accidentally, use these kind of words. For broke, because the cue card is on broke, you need to speak on a topic, specific vocabulary. So instead of saying I broke this, I broke that most of the time, you can use these words like I mangled. I mangled, that means I broke. Okay, I mangled the mirror. Blemished, okay, because of my haste the mirror was blemished, that means it broke. Okay, marred, the mirror marred into pieces, shattered into pieces. Wrecked, I wrecked the plate, I wrecked the washing machine when I was trying to wash the clothes. Okay, defiled. I defiled the washing machine while trying to repair it, or I defiled the washing machine when I was trying to wash the clothes. So instead of saying broke, breaking all the time, use these kind of advanced vocabulary. Now, some of the idioms that you can use to show that when you broke something or when something broke in your house, how you felt. Of course, you felt sad, you felt depressed, or you felt not good. So you can use these phrases, these idioms or phrases to show your feeling. My heart sank. As soon as the glass broke, or as soon as the glass shattered, my heart sank. My heart sank means you felt so sad. बहुत तकलीफ हुई, एकदम से आवाज़ें चली गई कि अरे ये क्या हो गया. So my heart sank. Down in the dumps. Down in the dumps means that very sad. You felt like you are there is no hope, there is no way out from that problem. When you broke something, there was no hope that you are going to be forgiven by the parents. So something like that. So you can say that I was down in dumps for days after breaking the washing machine. So you felt hopeless for many days because of you something was broken or something like that. Okay, so down in the dumps. I was down in the dumps. A sad sight. A sad sight means when something broke, it was not a pleasant thing to see. You were very sad at that sight. So it was a sad sight when the glass broke, or it was a sad sight when the washing machine defiled. Something like that you can say to express the feeling. Then I had a lump in my throat. When you say I had a lump in my throat means you were so sad or disheartened that you were not able to describe that feeling in words. हमने कुछ तोड़ दिया और हमसे बोला नहीं जा रहा है कि हमने कैसे तोड़ा, कोई शब्द ही बाहर नहीं आ रहा है डर के मारे या सैडनेस के वजह से, तो हम इसको यूज़ करते हैं. ओके, व्हेन यू आर नॉट एबल टू डिस्क्राइब योर फीलिंग इन द वर्ड्स, यू से आई हैड अ लंप इन माई थ्रोट. So when it wrecked, okay, when it broke, when it wrecked, when the washing machine was wrecked into pieces, or when the glass was wrecked into pieces, I had a lump in my throat. That means you were so sad, you were not able to describe the sadness, the feeling of sadness. Okay, so these are some languages, these are some idioms and words that you can use to describe this cue card. This will help you to get 7+ band. So as you can see, it's not about the content, that bullet points. Okay, you do not need to focus on bullet points in 1 minute. You just need to name what thing it was that broke, okay, how it broke and how you repaired. That's it. Okay, so see you next time. Tata, bye bye.